It is that time now to celebrate some birthdays during our Local 5 Birthday Club. We want to start out strong with a happy birthday to Josie. She's turning 7 today. She loves sweet treats and roller coasters. Well, happy birthday, Josie.
Yeah, we have a lot of them today. Happy birthday to Paige. She turns 21 tomorrow. That's a big birthday. She likes hanging out with friends and family and watching her brother Blake Borth on Local 5 News. Happy birthday, Paige.
And happy birthday to Summer. She turns 27 tomorrow. She loves traveling with friends and family. Well, happy birthday, Summer.
And happy birthday to Angie. She turns 49 tomorrow. She loves taking excursions through the UP and likes making memories with her granddaughters Cohen and Haven. Happy birthday.
And happy birthday to Eric. He turns 54 tomorrow. Well, happy birthday, Eric.
Last but not least, we have another happy birthday to Kenna. She turns 5 on Sunday, and she loves her little sister, camping, and animals. Happy birthday.
Well, if you know somebody with a birthday coming up, you can upload a picture and some information about them 3 days in advance to our website at wearegreenbay.com. Just click on the contest tab and then Local 5 Birthday Club to enter, and we're going to wish them a happy birthday right here on air.
Plus, you'll be entered to receive a $25 gift card to Board & Brush Creative Studio and a Schwab and On Bowling Alley. And it's Friday, so we have a winner to announce today. Ellie, you want to do it?
Yes, congratulations to Dom. You just won 2 $25 gift cards, and we hope you have a wonderful birthday. If I remember that, he likes the Pokemon.
That's right, and that was yesterday, right?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.